Hi viewers, this is Dr. Gunamani Jana and you are watching video with me on InkScape. It is one of the open source software that is used for vector graphics editor, and here we can use for GNU Linux, Windows and Mac operating system, and it offers a rich set of features and widely used for artistic as well as the technical illustrations such as cartoons, clip art, logos, then typography, diagram and flowcharts. And mainly it is used for the vector graphics, and we are using like a sprite. Okay, so that is for the pixel thing or this color, and this one is used for the big vector graphics. This allows to sharp printout and also unlimited resolutions. Previously what happens, we take a picture with low resolution, after certain times you see the picture breaks, but here we can take unlimited resolutions and it is not bound to be fixed number of pixels like the raster graphics. Then Inkscape, it uses the standard file format like the SVG file format, and it supports many other applications including the web browser also, and it can import and export various file formats including the SVG, AI, EPS, PDF, PS, PNG, all the things are there. So this is all about the general definitions. Now we go for the Inkspace. So we can download and install, and the current versions what I downloaded and used, I am showing you that about the Inkscape. You can see it here. I am using the Inkscape version 1.2. Just you can go to the any of the browser, there you type Inkscape, the latest versions. Anyway, 1.3 version is also available, but it is a paid version, so you can get almost all the features using this free version, Inkscape 1.2. Just download and install. If you have any problem, you send a SMS or mail to me. I will give a solution to that one. Fine. So assuming that it is installed, this version 1.2. Now the first time we see it is like this. Then whenever, but what we want the full screen, not like this. Then for that, what you need to do, Control Shift D. I am typing Control Shift and I am going for D. Can you see here? In the Control Shift D, then you see here the format, it is showing A4, and here it is millimeter. You can have pixel, millimeter, PC, PT, but it is there in millimeter by default. So because of this A4, it is showing the restrictions. Then what you need to do, you go to the see here page is there, border is there and desk is there. Just go to the desk. Okay, then in the RGBA bottom you see something, so Control C, all the things what is there says like D1, D1, D100, copy it. Okay, so you copy it, then you go to the page here, double click, and you find something like FFFF00, double click, Control V. Okay, so once you do it there and close it there, okay, save it, then you remove this border, okay. Now you can see it has covered the entire screen, right? So this was about that one. Now you are able to do the entire thing with you. It's clear? Now the minimum thing I want to do, a button. You can create the various type of buttons, all the design and everything. For designing a button, you can see we are having here the toolbox. I told you that in the left hand side is the toolbox. Here the top is the menu. Okay. Then you are having here like the command lines, all the things are there. So everything you can find it here, right? Then what you need to do for drawing a button, just you go for this one. Okay, here your rectangular, you can see, just click it here and put it here. So this is just like a drawing a button. Okay, so so now just left click here and drag. So if you want to drag it here, you see it is going in both the direction, the forward direction, backward direction it is going. Okay, so if you show control left key, control left key and shift. Okay, so it is going in one direction only. Okay, so this is there. These are things you can do. Now for changing the colors, etc., you put it here and select this color here. So you select any color. Suppose I usually for things I use this color. Can you see? So a color it has come like this. Okay, now 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 for the say you have the stroke here. For the stroke, because I want to give the 3D effect and all things, then what you need to do, so for any color you can select as you that say shift left click, then automatically it will come any color. Okay, so here it is there, shift and left click, so it is coming the various colors. Suppose I want to give another color, say like that I want to give this color, then you put any color here, color it is changing. Suppose I want this color, the color is changing. I want different colors, you can give it here, it will take. Okay, so you select it, after that you can give it all things, right? Now the next what we do, then for the duplicate of all the things, what we do, select it here and control D, a duplicate is there. Okay, so you can see two things are there here, then clicking it here, then you can make it little okay, you can make it little smaller also. Okay, so put it here. Now for changing this color, you select another color, you see a lighter color. Okay, so this color or little this color that you can select later, right? So all the things you can see, this is the color of this button. So this you take it, you can make it little like this also. Okay, and if you want to put some letters, so I click it here and put it here, then you can select the size and everything it here. So you put it something I want the game start, something I write game start, START. Okay, so can you see it here, something it is coming, so game start. So then I put some other colors here, so you can put something, and this also you select it here. Okay, and this you drag it here, can you see it here? So this you can okay, game start, you can make it so normal or bold, whatever things I want it bold. Okay, then can you see it here, game start, T put it here. Okay, game start. So this is the thing. Or you want, suppose maybe you don't like this color, you select another color, I don't mind, you can select this color also. Okay, the thing. So now with this, what you use the InkScape. With the things we are able to design something like this, right? Now suppose I want to save it, so go for the file, then go to the save as. Okay, something drawing, so I put it drawing 3 or 2 or 3, whatever things I put it there, then inkspace svg, it is there as it is, then you save it. Okay, inkspace svg, it is there. Okay, it is by default, it will there in the there. So like this you can do. And another thing is that suppose you want to group all the things, because till now it is not there, so control plus G. So first you select all the things, the entire things, first you select it here, select it, then control and G. Okay, now it is grouped. Now if you drag it, so it is the entire thing, it is coming here. You can see you have created this beautiful thing. Okay, so like that you have created. So like that you can create a number of things. I hope you have enjoyed the very small demonstrations on this Inkscape. So we can have a number of good videos on this in the future, and the parallel also I will be giving some videos on the sprite. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please do share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to see all the latest video without any delay. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for your support. Thank you.